Welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of having the same old breakfast every day? Do you want to start your mornings with quick, delicious, and healthy options? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to share 7 quick and easy healthy breakfast ideas that will transform your mornings and keep you energized throughout the day. But before we dive in, we want to know, what's your go-to breakfast? Are you someone who prefers savory or sweet options? Let us know in the comments below. Alright, let's jump right into these mouth-watering breakfast ideas. Number 1. Avocado toast. Avocado toast has gained immense popularity in recent years, and for good reason. Avocados are a nutrient-dense fruit packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. The whole grain bread provides complex carbohydrates and additional fiber, promoting sustained energy levels and aiding digestion. The avocado is mashed and spread on the toast, providing a creamy texture and a delicious flavor. Sprinkling salt, pepper, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice enhances the taste and adds a touch of tanginess. This combination of ingredients makes avocado toast a balanced breakfast option that satisfies both your taste buds and nutritional needs. Now transform your mornings with mouth-watering avocado toast. Here's how. Start by toasting a slice of whole grain bread. Mash half an avocado and spread it on the toast. Then, top it off with a sprinkle of salt, pepper, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. It's simple, packed with healthy fats, and incredibly tasty. Plus, the combination of avocado and whole grain bread provides a good balance of fiber and nutrients. Number 2. Yogurt parfait. Yogurt parfaits are not only visually appealing but also offer a plethora of health benefits. Greek yogurt serves as the base, providing a creamy and tangy taste along with a significant amount of protein. Protein helps in muscle repair and promotes a feeling of fullness, making it an excellent choice for breakfast. The addition of fruits, such as berries, provides a burst of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. These colorful fruits add natural sweetness and contribute to overall well-being. A drizzle of honey adds a touch of sweetness, while the granola adds texture and additional fiber. The combination of Greek yogurt, fruits, honey, and granola creates a satisfying breakfast that is not only delicious but also nourishing. So, start your day right with a scrumptious yogurt parfait. Follow these easy steps. Take a glass or a bowl and layer it with Greek yogurt, your favorite fruits, and a drizzle of honey. You can also add a handful of granola for some crunch. This breakfast is not only visually appealing but also provides a good balance of protein, fiber, and vitamins. The Greek yogurt adds a creamy texture, while the fruits and honey provide natural sweetness and a burst of antioxidants. Number 3. Peanut butter banana smoothie. Smoothies are a fantastic way to pack in a variety of nutrients in one glass. The peanut butter banana smoothie is a classic combination loved by many. Bananas are a great source of potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels and proper muscle function. Peanut butter adds a dose of healthy fats, protein, and additional flavor. Almond milk serves as the liquid base, providing a creamy texture and a dairy-free option for those with lactose intolerance or dietary preferences. The smoothie is blended with ice, creating a refreshing and satisfying beverage that is perfect for a quick and nutritious breakfast. So, fuel your day with a creamy and delicious peanut butter banana smoothie. Here's how. In a blender, combine a ripe banana, a tablespoon of peanut butter, a cup of almond milk, and a handful of ice. Blend until smooth, and voila! This creamy smoothie is not only delicious but also a great source of protein, potassium, and healthy fats. The natural sweetness of the banana complements the nutty flavor of the peanut butter perfectly. Number 4. Veggie omelette. An omelette is a versatile breakfast option that allows you to incorporate a variety of vegetables and customize it to your liking. Sautéing vegetables like bell peppers, spinach, and mushrooms in olive oil not only enhances their flavors but also helps retain their nutritional value. Bell peppers are rich in vitamin C, spinach provides iron and other essential minerals, and mushrooms offer B vitamins and immune-boosting properties. Beating eggs and pouring them over the sautéed veggies creates a protein-packed and filling omelette. The combination of eggs and vegetables provides a balanced meal that keeps you satisfied and provides essential nutrients to start your day. To indulge in a healthy and delicious veggie omelette, follow these easy steps. In a pan, heat some olive oil and sauté your favorite vegetables like bell peppers, spinach, and mushrooms. Beat a couple of eggs, pour them over the veggies, and cook until set. This omelette is loaded with nutrients and will keep you satisfied until lunchtime. The colorful veggies add a variety of vitamins and minerals, while the eggs provide a good dose of protein. Number 5. Overnight chia pudding. Chia pudding has gained popularity as a healthy and convenient breakfast option. Chia seeds are tiny powerhouses of nutrition, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. When combined with your favorite milk, such as almond or coconut milk, and sweetened with a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup, chia seeds absorb the liquid and form a pudding-like consistency. Refrigerating the mixture overnight allows the seeds to soften and swell, creating a delightful and nutritious breakfast treat. Chia pudding is not only rich in healthy fats, but also promotes satiety and aids in digestion due to its high fiber content. To experience breakfast bliss with a luscious overnight chia pudding, here's how to make it in a jar. Combine 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with a cup of your favorite milk, such as almond or coconut milk. Add a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup for sweetness, and stir well. Refrigerate overnight, and wake up to a delicious and nutritious pudding packed with omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. The chia seeds absorb the liquid, creating a pudding-like consistency that's both satisfying and nourishing. Number 6. Whole wheat banana pancakes. Pancakes are a beloved breakfast item, and by using whole wheat flour and ripe bananas, you can create a healthier version without sacrificing taste. Whole wheat flour is less processed than white flour and retains the bran and germ, providing additional fiber, B vitamins, and minerals. Ripe bananas add natural sweetness, moisture, and potassium. By mashing a ripe banana and combining it with whole wheat flour, baking powder, salt, and enough milk to make a thick batter, you can create fluffy and nutritious pancakes. Cooking them on a non-stick pan with minimal oil ensures a healthier preparation method. These whole wheat banana pancakes are a guilt-free breakfast option that offers a balance of complex carbohydrates, fiber, and essential nutrients. To unlock the secrets to fluffy and flavorful whole wheat banana pancakes, follow these steps. Mash a ripe banana and mix it with a cup of whole wheat flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and enough milk to make a thick batter. Cook the pancakes on a non-stick pan, and there you have it, a guilt-free breakfast that's both tasty and wholesome. The whole wheat flour adds fiber, while the ripe banana provides natural sweetness and a boost of potassium. Number 7. Overnight oats. For those busy mornings when you're short on time, overnight oats are a lifesaver. Rolled oats are combined with milk and left to soak overnight, resulting in a soft and creamy texture. Rolled oats are a whole grain that provides a good source of fiber, which aids digestion, promotes fullness, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Adding a tablespoon of chia seeds to the mixture increases the fiber and omega-3 fatty acid content. Toppings such as berries, nuts, or a drizzle of honey not only add flavor but also contribute additional vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Overnight oats can be prepared in advance, making them a convenient and nutritious option for busy individuals. To kickstart your mornings with irresistible overnight oats, follow these simple steps. In a jar, combine half a cup of rolled oats, a cup of milk, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and your choice of toppings like berries, nuts, or a drizzle of honey. Give it a good stir, refrigerate overnight, and enjoy a satisfying breakfast without any morning prep. The oats are a great source of complex carbohydrates and fiber, while the toppings add flavor, texture, and additional nutrients. And that wraps up our list of 7 quick and easy healthy breakfast ideas. These recipes are not only simple to prepare, but also provide a good balance of nutrients to fuel your day. Remember, a nutritious start to your day can make a world of difference in your overall well-being. Which one of these breakfast ideas will you be trying out? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy, and have a fantastic day ahead. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so make it count. Bye for now.